Mars, the red planet, has always captivated our imagination. It's a world of stark beauty and intriguing mysteries. Among its many wonders lies a scar so grand, so awe-inspiring, that it dwarfs anything found on our own planet. This is Valles Marineris, the largest canyon in our solar system. Imagine the Grand Canyon, itself a natural wonder of immense scale. Now stretch it across the entire United States from coast to coast. That's the sheer scale of Valles Marineris. Valles Marineris stretches over 4,000 kilometers or 2,500 miles in length, carving a deep gash across the Martian equator. At its widest points, it spans 200 kilometers or 125 miles, and its depths plunge a staggering 10 kilometers or 7 miles. This makes it nearly 10 times longer, 20 times wider, and 5 times deeper than the Grand Canyon. This colossal canyon is a testament to the powerful forces that have shaped the Martian surface over billions of years. Its existence hints at a turbulent and dynamic past, a time when Mars may have been a very different place than the cold, arid world we see today. In this essay, we embark on a journey to explore Valles Marineris, delving into its formation, its key features, and the secrets it holds about the history of Mars. We will compare it to Earth's own Grand Canyons and look ahead to future missions that promise to unlock even more of its mysteries. The year was 1971. Humanity was taking its first tentative steps into the cosmos. NASA's Mariner 9 spacecraft, after a journey of millions of kilometers, entered orbit around Mars, becoming the first spacecraft to orbit another planet. Its mission was to photograph the Martian surface, providing us with our first detailed glimpse of our celestial neighbor. What Mariner 9 sent back astonished scientists. It wasn't the images of volcanoes or polar ice caps that caused the biggest stir, but the discovery of an immense canyon system unlike anything ever seen before. This canyon system, later named Valles Marineris, in honor of its discoverer, stretched across the Martian equator, a testament to the red planet's violent geological past. The discovery of Valles Marineris was a pivotal moment in our understanding of Mars. It showed us that Mars was not a static, unchanging world, but a planet shaped by dynamic forces over billions of years. The canyon's location, close to the Tharsis region, one of the most volcanically active areas on Mars, further hinted at the powerful forces that had shaped this region. The Tharsis Bulge, home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, is thought to have played a key role in the formation of Valles Marineris. The immense weight of the Tharsis volcanoes is believed to have caused the Martian crust to stretch and crack, ultimately leading to the formation of this colossal canyon system. To understand the formation of Valles Marineris, we need to journey back in time, billions of years ago, to a time when Mars was a hot, active planet. The Martian crust, unlike Earth's, is not divided into moving tectonic plates. Instead, it's more like a single, solid shell. However, this doesn't mean that Mars is geologically inert. The planet's interior heat, combined with the immense weight of the Tharsis volcanoes, created tremendous stress on the Martian crust. Imagine stretching a piece of rubber. At first it stretches smoothly, but eventually it reaches a point where it can't stretch any further without tearing. This is similar to what happened to the Martian crust billions of years ago. The weight of the Tharsis volcanoes, combined with the planet's internal heat, caused the crust to stretch and thin in the region we now know as Valles Marineris. This stretching eventually reached a breaking point, and the Martian crust ripped apart, creating a series of parallel fractures. These fractures, or grabens, widened and deepened over time, influenced by volcanic activity, landslides, and possibly even the flow of ancient rivers, ultimately forming the colossal canyon system we see today. Unlike the Grand Canyon, which was carved by the erosive power of the Colorado River, Valles Marineris was born from a much more violent and cataclysmic event, the rifting of the Martian crust. Valles Marineris is not just one single canyon, but a complex system of interconnected canyons, troughs, and chaotic terrains. It's a landscape of breathtaking scale and stark beauty. The canyon system is made up of several distinct chasmata, or troughs, each with its own unique features. At the western end of Valles Marineris lies Noctis Labyrinthus, a region of interconnected valleys and mesas that resembles a giant labyrinth. Moving eastward, we encounter the Chasmata, Ius, Melas, Kanda, Ophir, Coprates, Ganges, Capri, and Eos. Each chasma is a vast canyon in its own right, with towering cliffs, landslide deposits, and evidence of past geological activity. One of the most striking features of Valles Marineris is the evidence of massive landslides. The canyon walls, weakened by billions of years of geological activity, have given way in places, sending billions of tons of rock cascading down to the canyon floor. These landslides have created some of the most dramatic landscapes on Mars, with jumbled piles of rock and debris stretching for kilometers across the canyon floor. At the eastern end of Valles Marineris lies a region known as chaotic terrain. This area, as its name suggests, is a chaotic jumble of mesas, buttes, and canyons, evidence of a turbulent past. Section 5. The Labyrinth of Night, Noctis Labyrinthus. At the western edge of Valles Marineris lies a region of such intricate beauty and geological complexity that it seems to defy description. This is Noctis Labyrinthus, the Labyrinth of Night. It's a vast, elevated plateau, cut through by a network of deep, interconnected canyons, creating a landscape that resembles a giant, natural maze. The canyons of Noctis Labyrinthus are thought to be grabens, formed by the same tectonic forces that created Valles Marineris. However, unlike the relatively straight Chasmata of Valles Marineris, the canyons of Noctis Labyrinthus are winding and interconnected, creating a truly labyrinthine landscape. The canyon walls here are incredibly steep, often rising vertically for hundreds of meters. The canyon floors are often flat and covered in fine-grained sediments, suggesting that they may have once been filled with lakes or rivers. The formation of Noctis Labyrinthus is still a matter of scientific debate, but it's thought to be linked to the formation of the Tharsis Bulge. As the Tharsis volcanoes grew, they put immense stress on the surrounding crust, causing it to fracture and warp. This stress is thought to have been particularly intense in the region that is now Noctis Labyrinthus, leading to the formation of this unique and enigmatic landscape. The canyons of Noctis Labyrinthus are a testament to the power of geological forces to shape planetary surfaces. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Valles Marineris, we uncover echoes of an ancient past. This colossal canyon system, with its intricate network of valleys and cliffs, tells a story of a time when Mars was very different from the arid planet we see today. The rock formations and sediment layers are like pages in a history book, revealing secrets of ancient water flows and tectonic activity. These geological features offer invaluable clues, helping scientists piece together the environmental conditions that once shaped the Martian landscape. So, how does Mars compare to Earth? Well, Valles Marineris is over 4,000 kilometers long, making it nearly 10 times longer than the Grand Canyon. If placed on Earth, it would stretch across the entire United States. The depth of the canyon reaches up to 7 kilometers, which is about 5 times deeper than the Grand Canyon. This stark contrast highlights the immense scale and unique geological processes that have shaped Mars. While Earth's canyons were primarily carved by water, the formation of Valles Marineris is believed to be the result of tectonic forces and volcanic activity. Looking ahead, future missions to Mars aim to unlock even more secrets hidden within Valles Marineris. Robotic explorers and advanced rovers equipped with cutting-edge technology will venture into the depths of the canyon, analyzing rock samples and searching for signs of past life. These missions will also pave the way for human exploration, as understanding the geology and potential resources of Valles Marineris is crucial for establishing a sustainable presence on Mars. The data collected will not only enhance our knowledge of the Red Planet, but also inform strategies for future colonization efforts. In essence, Valles Marineris serves as a window into Mars' past and future. By studying this magnificent canyon, we gain insights into the planet's geological history and the processes that have shaped its surface. At the same time, the canyon holds the key to future exploration and the possibility of discovering life beyond Earth. As we continue to explore and learn from Valles Marineris, we take one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos and the potential for life on other planets. The journey is just beginning, and the discoveries awaiting us are bound to be extraordinary.